Welcome to another Save Your Books lesson. This one is on repairing a paperback book without removing the old glue. It's for when a paperback book has fallen into several different sections, like this, so we're going to be able to put them back together. Step one is to separate the cover and the text block. The next step is to make some notches in the spine using a knife. And then the last step is, of course, to put them back together. And then, all right, that's it for repairing a paperback without removing the old glue. And it's in pretty good shape now.